What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a super easy way to clean your drip pans with little to no scrubbing, you've definitely clicked on the right video. So I'm just taking the top parts of my drip pans out at the moment and showing you guys what they look like. They are pretty horrific. I must be honest, I don't always keep on top of these things. I just get to surface cleaning and kind of forget to wipe them down after they've cooled off. So they definitely become a mess real quick. And I hate cleaning these things because they require a lot of scrubbing and making different concoctions, and I don't like it. And I feel like they never really come clean. And of course you could always go buy new ones, but I'm definitely trying to be cost efficient and not buy these things, every other month. So all you need is some Easy Off oven spray, and you want to spray them pretty generously. Yeah, I'm coating mine a lot. And then buy some of the jumbo size Ziploc bags and place them inside after you've sprayed them. So I'm just going around spraying all of them, and then I'm placing them in the bag. After they're all in the Ziploc bag, you want to seal it up, and you're going to leave this overnight and kind of let them soak and just let the oven cleaner do its job. And this is the very next morning. I am going to be rinsing them off, and let's see how it did. I feel like this is so satisfying. Look at that. It is just like rinsing off. This makes me so happy and brings me great joy, honestly. There is only one that kind of had stuff stay on, and to be honest, I think if I would have scrubbed it and maybe worked it in a little more after I initially sprayed it, that it would have came off completely. I think this is the one, and maybe the way I stack them in there, it couldn't really work the way it was supposed to. So this one did still kind of have stuff left on, but like I said, if I would have scrubbed it a little bit the night that I put it on, I think it would have came off a lot easier. But look at this, it literally is just like washing off, and it's so awesome. I am definitely down to do this instead of scrubbing it a million times. Since they didn't come completely clean, I decided to scrub them a little bit just because I'm kind of OCD like that. I don't like to leave it half clean, half dirty. But I do think that this worked great. This is the end result. They look amazing for pretty much no work, them just soaking overnight. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below of what you think, and subscribe if you're new, and be on the lookout for more of these easy, quick cleaning tips.